$23,000 profit last trading week in commodities and futures trading based on CFTC report. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Schultz, and in this video I am going to show you how I traded commodities and futures last trading week. First of all, risk disclaimer. Let's start with CFTC trading account. I trade on this account CFTC trading strategy. The account size is $878,000. I trade up to 2% risk per trade on this account. So let's have a look at last trading week. I started in the last trading week with one position in my portfolio. I was 5 contracts short in soybean oil. And if I finished the trading week with the same position but less contracts, now I have only one short contract in my portfolio. So I closed part position and made a profit of $13,080. This is the watch list I started with in the last trading week. On the buy side, I had Canadian dollar, heating oil, copper, cotton. On the sell side, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, copper, lean hogs. Let's have a look at soybean oil. If you watch my videos, you knew this trade already because I was in position about 3 weeks. So I traded here the sell signal based on CFTC data analysis. If you want to do CFTC data analysis by yourself, you can find a tool on my website, CFTC tool. On this CFTC tool, you will find all the markets and the CFTC data and CFTC index. So as you can see here, open position, commercials, large specs, and open interest and CFTC index, all what you need to do your CFTC data analysis. If you want to check the seasonality, also you can do it on my website. So here you can choose the market. So for example, S&P 500, the red line is the current price and the other lines are the price 5 years average, 10 years average and 15 years average. So you can see the price behavior historical in this period of time. And the other useful tool is futures calculator. If you plan an entry and you are not sure what the data are for this future, for example, tick value, for example, the symbol, or maybe the delivery month, or you are not sure what the risk is and how many contracts you have to trade, you can put all the data here like stop loss, take profit, entry price, and calculate your stop loss value, and then you can put your account size, for example, $200, or you could do it by hand if it's more. And then you can see how many contracts by 2% risk you can trade based on this entry and this stop loss values. This is very useful tool to get all the master data for a certain futures and to calculate risk per trade and the number of contracts. Back to trading results. First market soybean oil. As you can see, I got here a sell signal based on CFTC data analysis and the seasonal trend was in the same direction. So on daily chart, I waited for a trend change and opened 3 weeks ago a short position. If you watch my videos, you knew this position because I am in position about 3 weeks and I showed this position in previous videos. I traded here 0.5% risk. And as you can see, my price target was hit and I made a profit of $13,080. So I'm still in the market with one short contract. I want to trade trend because the CFTC data analysis shows that the probability for trend continuation is very high. In the other markets from the watches, I didn't do any trades. So let's have a look at Canadian dollar. As you can see, the red lines here is the scenario I was waiting for. And as you can see, the market started to follow my scenario, but I didn't get entry pattern last trading week. So here, heating oil went in other direction. Australian dollar, same picture as Canadian dollar. The market starts to follow my scenario, but no entry pattern, was no entry patterns last week. In copper, I didn't get my entry pattern. And in cotton, I tried to open here a long position. So the market went sideways and therefore I deleted the orders and decided to wait for better timing. Lean hogs. So I planned a entry for Monday last trading week, but the market opened with a down gap and therefore my orders wasn't triggered. As you can see, we got a correction. Now we have a good opportunity to make our short trade in this market, but I will discuss this market in trading plans and will post these trading plans for our members in membership and in Telegram channel. If you want to become a member, please check out the info box below of this video. On the small account, startup account, the account size is $30,000. I didn't do any trades because the account size is very small and I have to be careful in terms of position size and risk money management. And the last week, I didn't get trades with small risk. This is a short-term trading strategy, more aggressive, more entry patterns, and also more risk for a drawdown. So I started in the last trading week with 2 short contracts in heating oil and I finished the week with an empty portfolio. So during the week, I closed an open position. So this is the stats of this strategy. The account size is $432,000. I trade up to 2% risk per trade on this account. And here we go. This is the trade I made last trading week. If you watch my videos, you know this trade because this trade was last trading week, the week before the last trading week already open. And in the last trading week, I hit my price target and the trade was closed with a profit of $10,849. As you can see, I made before a long trade. It was not successful. After I was stopped out, I switched my position from long to short because we got a sell signal based on COT data. So, and the price target was hit. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. Please be careful in terms of risk and money management. The risk management is the key to success in trading. See you next week. Happy trading, your Max Schultz.